Today we're going to be installing a BBK fuel pressure gauge. It's a direct bolt-on application for any of these OBS, F-Series, or Bronco trucks. Here's a part number for what I had used. I'd order it straight from BBK off their website. These gauges really help troubleshooting or diagnosing any problems with these EFI motors. First thing we're going to do is there's a Schrader valve located on the front of the fuel rail here. You're going to unscrew this cap and relieve the pressure on it. Do be careful to not get any fuel spray on you yourself. Next we're going to take the gauge, which I already have the adapter that came with it, tighten down and onto the gauge. But we're going to wrap all these threads with some Teflon tape to make sure we have a good seal, because you don't want any leaks. Alright, now that we got this thing wrapped up, we're going to go ahead and we can install it into that fuel rail. You take a wrench, and that Schrader valve just comes right out of the fuel rail. Make sure to clean any of the old residue off. And then this one should screw right down into place. I'm going to snug it down with a 1/2-inch wrench, and then we're going to hop in the truck. I'm going to cycle it through a few times to get fuel pressure back into the rail and double check that I do not have any leaks. It's important to make sure that everything is sealed up really good with the fuel system. You can see here everything is dry, there's no leaks anywhere, and so this is a sign I can go ahead and hop in and start the truck and double check that there's no leaks. Alright, so we got good fuel pressure and no leaks, so it's all good to go. Hope this video helps anybody wondering how to put one of these in. It's pretty easy and straightforward. And again, thanks for watching.